Question number 12. Which transformation equation are replaced by Lorentz transformation equation which confirms the postulate of Einstein's special theory of relativity? The answer will be option number D, Galilean. Question number 13. Lorentz transformation is Zoom. The answer will be option number A, space and time both are relative. Question number 14. According to special relativity, which physical properties below are dependent on the observer speed? The answer will be option number D, length, time, mass. The question number 15. The clocks in a moving reference frame compared to identical clock in a stationary reference frame appear to run. The answer will be option number A, slower. Question number 16. If t is time interval of event measured by moving s prime frame and t naught is time interval measured by rest frame s, then time dilation. Option number A, t equal to t naught under root 1 minus b square upon c square. Question number 17. Time dilation is real effect. The answer will be A, real effect. Question number 18. A specific moving away from the earth at a speed of 0.9. First, a light beam backward and observer on the earth measure the velocity light beam. The answer will be option number C. This is a numerical part. Question number 19. The circle in rest frame appear to ellipse for frame moving relative to rest frame due to. The answer will be option number A, length contraction. Question number 20. When a material particle of rest mass m0 tends to attain speed c, then the mass tends to become. The answer will be option number B, double to its rest mass. Question number 21. An observer moves with speed of c by 2 towards a stationary source of light. The speed of light appears to be observed to be. The answer will be option number A, C. 22. For particle having zero rest mass and momentum p, the total energy of particle is option number C, Pc. This is the most important question. 22. The 23. The kinetic energy of a particle is double of its rest mass energy than the speed of particle. The answer will be option number D, 2 root 2 by 3 c into c. The 24. The relativistic kinetic energy of a particle rest mass m0 moving with speed v each. The answer will be option number D, m0 upon under root 1 minus b square upon c square minus m0 bracket and c square. 25. The rest mass of an electron is m0. What is the mass of electron when it is moving with velocity 0.6 c? The answer will be option number C, 5 by 4 m0. This is also a numerical part. 26. The basic theorem principle used to obtain mass energy relation is. The answer will be option number C, work energy theorem. 27. Which of the following is Einstein mass energy relation? This is the most important question. Einstein mass energy relation. The option will be option number C, E equal to mc square, Einstein equation. The question number 28. Which of the following is the momentum energy relation? The momentum energy relation is. The answer will be option number A, E square equal to p square c square minus m naught square c to the power 4. Question number 29. In a relativistic case, the velocity of the particle approaches the speed of light. The kinetic energy approach. The answer will be option number C, infinite. Question number 30. What will the rest energy of an electron? The answer will be option number C, 0.51 MeV. 31. If a star radius energy the rate of 5 into 10 to the 20 joule second inverse. What is the rate at which of the mass is decreased? The answer will be option number A. It is also a numerical part. Thank you.